This is what we're working on today. Had the roof come down here. Not sure why or how, but it came down. In the walls, the ceiling, you have a couple of small patches. I believe that's it. So as I mentioned, that's our main thing right here. We're taking everything off, but as you can see, there's also minor damages to the wall. I don't know how that got like that. A couple of switches, vents. All done with day one. Got all the drywall up. All right, so I'm getting started here with day two. I had cleaned up the floor a little bit more. I got it covered up now since we're applying mud and painting and all that good stuff. I already put the tape on there. I use this tape most of the time because it worked best for me. So we're gonna start sanding all this little stuff down. It's a lot of little things like this, little pinholes, this hole right here. Just a lot of little stuff that we need to cover up before we even start painting. So we're gonna start with that. Now I have the green bucket mud, and I also have 20 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go with the green bucket mud. I forget the name of it. It's all-purpose mud. I'm gonna do everything the first day. Then next day I'm gonna use 20-minute mud to make sure we finish up in a timely manner. But you can use all-purpose mud. It's just gonna take you a little bit longer because it dries overnight. So let's get started. Alright, so I had the mud ready, the all-purpose green bucket. We're gonna do each line at a time. So I'll do this one right here, put the tape on there, this one, tape. Now I'm gonna put a little small piece on each corner right here. So this is a closet right here. Definitely not moving this door and then reinstalling again. So we're gonna caulk here, knock that out. But yeah, let's get that started. did the first go around on there. Got all the tape on there. Now I'm gonna do a coat right over top of it, and that should cover it for today. And then another coat tomorrow, and that should do it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna do another coat over top. Then I'm gonna start on all these right here, all the nails, and then the walls. All right, so the ceiling is done. Gotta let this sit until tomorrow. Now we're gonna tackle the walls. So I already did some on that wall. It's more spots like that spot right up there. It's all messed up, so we're gonna work on that. Then there's other spots all around. So let's get to it. All right, got the walls all patched up. Now we let this dry. Come back tomorrow. Gonna use the 20 mud sand right there. Do everything one more time, the walls, everything, and we're good to go. Paint, bam, all done. All right, we're back. Everything is dried, so we're gonna go ahead and start sanding everything down. Instead of 20 mud, we're going with 90 minute. I'm thinking about it, I might not be able to do it in 20, so we got 90 ready to go right now. So put the 90 mud on there, all on the seams. all over here, just the spots that need to be. We fixed that spot right here. Got everything taken care of here. Just gotta dry. Again, I had used the 90-minute mud just because I know that 20 is gonna dry pretty fast, and then have another job like 15 minutes from here that I'm gonna go to, and then be there for 2 hours, come back 2 hours, start painting here, and then let's see where maybe we can finish today.